Hello, James Johnson here, and once again I'm going to discuss traffic safety after a tragic incident making headlines here in California. This devastating collision happened yesterday on Highway 395 in Victorville. It highlights the dangers of passing other vehicles and how risky decisions can have deadly consequences. Here's what happened. 3 vehicles, including a semi-truck and 2 SUVs, were involved in a crash. The cause of this crash? A dangerous maneuver, attempting to pass another vehicle when it was unsafe to do so. According to the Highway Patrol, the driver of the black SUV made the decision to pass the vehicle in front of them, a gray Chevrolet Tahoe. However, the driver entered oncoming traffic where they collided head-on with a semi-truck. The black SUV also collided with the Tahoe, leading to the deaths of both drivers. The truck driver, though injured, survived. Now let's talk about why passing other vehicles can be so dangerous. The basic rule is simple. Passing can be a high-risk maneuver. When you pass another vehicle, you're temporarily driving into the lane of oncoming traffic, often at high speeds, and there's very little time to react if something goes wrong. This appears to be what happened in this case. While it may seem like a simple decision, passing another vehicle requires perfect judgment. You must have enough visibility, as well as plenty of time to safely complete the maneuver. Unfortunately, too many drivers are impatient, overconfident, aggressive, or they may underestimate road conditions. Their decisions not only put their own lives at risk, but everyone else around them. In this incident, the driver of the gray SUV, who was just an innocent bystander, was also caught in the chaos and ultimately lost their life. The semi-truck driver, despite surviving, is undoubtedly shaken by the events. If you or a loved one is involved in an accident like this, the consequences go far beyond the initial crash. There's the emotional toll, the medical and or funeral expenses, potential long-term injuries, and the possibility of lost wages, a permanent disability, or even death. As a personal injury lawyer, it's my job to help victims and their families get the justice and compensation they deserve. However, anyone who has lost someone in a collision knows that no amount of money can make up for their loved one's death. This tragedy is a reminder to others to be cautious when deciding to pass another motorist. Don't take risks with your life and the lives of others. Remember, accidents like this don't just happen. They're often the result of poor decisions that could have been avoided. If you or someone you love has been impacted by an accident like this, speak with an experienced attorney. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe on the roads. Call me if you would like to discuss a case, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on how to protect yourself and your loved ones. I'll see you next time.